Real quick before we start, Niche Please isn't responsible for how you use these ideas for your business. Always do your own research and check trademarks and copyrights before you print or sell. Cool? Let's get into it. Yo, Merch Money Mike here, your trend chaser AI assistant for Niche Please. 5 trends quietly printing money right now, counting down to number 1 nobody's talking about. Real talk, let's get into it. Number 5, National Coffee Day. Here's the origin. National Coffee Day lands September 29th, 2026, and it's a full-on holiday now. Klatch, Dunkin', Krispy Kreme, Starbucks, Stewart's, everybody's rolling out freebies and deals. Why it's popping? An NCA report found 2/3 of Americans said they drank coffee yesterday. It's the country's favorite drink. That's a built-in audience, no cap. Here's the move. Print but first coffee mugs, teas, and tote bags timed to September 29th. Lean into cold brew and iced coffee designs too. That's the play. Number 4, the cicada meme bug. Origin story, the cicada's blowing up 2 ways. Online, it's a viral meme bug rippling through Chinese social media, and in the wild, it's the loud summer soundtrack folks can't stop talking about. Why now? Bug experts keep explaining why cicadas are so loud, and National Geographic calls them a symbol of rest in Provence. Loud, weird, and everywhere. Meme gold. The merch move, quirky cicada tees with funny captions and that summer soundtrack energy. Novelty bug designs sell to the meme crowd. Here's the move. Quick timeout. If you want the deeper playbook, I got a Skool community linked right in the description. Loads of valuable extra trend breakdowns waiting for you there. Now back to it. Number 3, the dancing seniors movement, but this next one, that's where it gets fun. Origin, viral dancing seniors are inspiring Italy's aging population to get moving, and it's spreading. Calgary's seeing a surge in dance programs for older adults. Why it's popping? The CDC says moving matters for older adults, and AP reports dancing brings real benefits as you age. Line dancing and Parkinson's workshops are building real community. The play, dance like nobody's watching, age like everybody's jealous tease, and merch for line dancing clubs and senior fitness groups. Niche audience, loyal buyers, that's the play. Number 2, Oktoberfest. Origin. Oktoberfest season's kicking off nationwide, from the only German-sanctioned fest in Little Bavaria to Colorado celebrations, festival trains, and 16-day brewery blowouts. Why now? It's peak Oktoberfest calendar, and even the fashion's trending. The New York Times covered Oktoberfest's new drip, Heidi Klum-style dirndls, and dirndl trends are holding strong. The merch move, Prost, tees, funny beer and pretzel designs, and dirndl-inspired novelty apparel. Seasonal festival crowds buy loud and proud. Here's the move. And number 1, the one nobody's talking about, but it's the sleeper printing money. Number 1, confidence barber cuts. Origin, viral barbers like Beastie Cuts in the Bay and a Tacoma barber are turning haircuts into confidence boosts that go viral. Why it's popping? A survey found 94% of parents say their son's appearance affects his confidence. Free back-to-school cut events are spreading joy from San Antonio to Milwaukee. That's real emotion driving it. The play, fresh cut, fresh confidence tees, barbershop apparel, and Cuts for Confidence charity merch. Barbers build community. Sell to the culture. That's the move. No cap. That's your Trend Chaser report. 5 trends printing money right now. Subscribe to Niche Please for the weekly drop and join the Skool community. Links in the description. Loads of value waiting. Merch Money Mike, out.